Hello, this is Sadiq from Viptech Ghana. I'm an Apple Care technician. I'm going to show you how we replace MacBook screens at Viptech. Our Apple Care services does a lot, and I would like you to witness how professionally we do these things. This is a MacBook Pro with a broken screen. As you can see, the screen is broken from this angle. As you can see, the more I press, the more it breaks. The more I press, the more it breaks. So we're actually going to replace the entire lid, not the screen, but we're going to replace the entire lid. So now that the screen is broken, I can't shut down the MacBook. I will hold the fingerprint button till it goes off. Now it is off. I use this to lift, just to create a space here. I'll use this to lift, just to create another space here. The first thing I do is I need to disconnect the battery. If not, it can cause damage to the logic board. And this is actually the battery. So the battery is disconnected. Now there is no power running through the system. This is the old screen, or the broken screen, that we are going to replace. So this is a new screen we picked from Leo Computers, Circle, Accra, Ghana. Leo deals in original Apple parts and accessories. In fact, he's a very good guy, and he's the best to buy replacement for either your MacBook, your iMac, or any other laptop. So buying screen, I recommend Leo Computers at Circle. I'll not remove this. I'll do that after I'm done fixing the screen. So quickly, we are done. We change the screen. Let's see if this Machine is even going to power up. Because we disconnected the battery, there is no power. I have to connect the power cable, the Thunderbolt cable or the USB type C cable. Then you will see the fan spin indicating that there is power. The fan should spin. It spins and you hear the charm. Should hear the charm shortly to show that the machine is on. That's it. At this particular time, I can take off this piece of rubber. We have a brand new screen replaced. Let me close the lid. Hello, Sadiq here once again. So, as you can see, we have a new screen fixed onto the MacBook Pro. This is the old screen that we took from the MacBook, and professionally we've replaced the screen. And usually this is what we do at Viper Ghana Apple Care support. So you can count on us at any point in time you require any of our services. Thank you very much. Until next time, see you again.